Hello friends, welcome to my channel Picture Friend. Today we are going to learn how to use AI tool and how to create amazing 3D images in any AI site. So let's begin the tutorial. First we are going to open imagine.art. This one is your site name, so just open it. Simply sign in because this one is completely free. So then writing your command what you want. So first we are going to take 3D Iceland with water and tree and mountain, realistic, okay. So just click on generate button and it's take little bit time, so just wait. So this one is your first image. You can also download this image or you can also generate more image. Just click on generate button. This one is also so wonderful. So my friend, you can see that all 4 images are so cool and it provide amazing 3D effect. So my friend, you can download all these images from this option, download option, or you can make this one little bit full size, so you can see that. So my friend, I think you understand this one very clearly, and if you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new AI tutorial. Goodbye.